There he is. He's live with the Jinx. He's live with the Jinx. I'm live with the not Jinx. I'm live with the not Jinx. Let's make a Jinx sandwich. Sip of coffee. What are we doing?
We're making a hurricane cake.
We are. Hurricane cake. Inspiration of hurricanes. It's not even hurricane season, but we're going to make a hurricane cake in honor of the awesome power of God and nature in the manifestation of hurricanes. And you know what? Maybe in our future at some point, there might be a tornado cake. I don't know. I think we're getting ahead of ourselves, though. Stay on task. We have... Want to introduce our ingredients?
White cake, because hurricanes are white.
Mm-hmm. White and cloudy.
Is there icy for the color?
Yeah, we're gonna put some color to it. Obviously, hurricanes are white when you're looking at the satellite image. We're gonna spice it up a little bit with a little bit of color. Why not? That's right. Yep. Our oven is now preheated. And we're going to use some coconut oil because hurricanes happen in warmer climates. I think we all think of tropical things. And when we think of tropical things, we think of coconuts, pina coladas, things like that. So we're going to have some coconut oil. Already got that measured out? That's right. Our hurricane cake name, the name of our hurricane, which is a Category 8 hurricane because we're using 8-inch pans.
I know that.
That's right. Gabe knows his hurricanes. He's like, that doesn't exist. And he's right. But today, we're in hurricane land, and anything can happen. And we have our water measured out already. So the first thing we're going to do, Gabe, is get the mix into the bowl. And once you do that, I'm going to pour these ingredients in. We're going to go ahead and put that to the side since we've already measured it out. Oh, and it takes 4 eggs. We want the egg whites only, because we want our cake mix or batter to be really white. So it look like a cloud. Oh my. Too much fun on set. While Egg's doing that, his name's Gabe, not Egg. Is your name Egg?
Stuff in here?
Yep. All right, so we're gonna pour the oil in this end, and while Gabe's doing that, we need the egg whites from one of our super fans. Thank you, super fan. We have an egg white separator. It's going to puke out the egg whites. Okay, here we go. Thank you, Gabriel, sir. We can put those to the side. And let's start puking some egg whites. All right, all the ingredients are in here, very white. We're going to mix it up now in our bazooka mixer vigorously for 2 minutes. So vigorously to me means kind of the medium speed on this, but before we get there, we're going to go ahead and do a little bit of stirring. Okay, now we're stirred, and then we're going to go 2 minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 2 minutes.
Your timer has finished and is at 0 seconds remaining.
Alexa, stop. Oh, this looks like it's going to be good to lick. Can't wait to lick it. It is going to be good to lick. Okay, so there's that. And then this one's going to be all the rest. Did I mention these are pre-greased with butter? We're going to put this in the oven, 26 to 30 some minutes we do it for. 26 minutes.
Are live or what?
We're live, we're live, we're live, we're live.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, that's a huge bite. Okay. All right, here, I'm going to try some.
How was
10
it?
out of 10.
Cool.
Okay. Now you can go do what you're going to do.
Oh,
We're live! We're live! We're live! We're live! We're live! We're live! Cake's done. We should take it out right now.
Here's our beautiful cake. It smells like a cake. This one.
Perfect.
It smells like cake.
All right, now that our cakes are cooked, we need to let them cool.
Yeah.
And we're back to ice it with our icing stand.
And our hurricane icing.
Yes. Meow. Meow.
This is Chunks.
All right, we have 2
Mwah.
cooled cake halves
Yep.
of white cake. We'll see how white it is in the middle when we
Yep.
cut into it. So we're going to use this white icing first. And then we have all these different colors that we're going to make a hurricane cake like you'd see on the Weather Channel. Oh, looks like we got a little mouse in the house. I think that's Gabriel's sister that did that.
She could die for that. Yeah, I like it. It's a revenge.
All right, here we go. Oh, yeah. Turntable, I love you. What? Turntable.
Let me spell that.
Oh, so good.
It smells.
Chef's kiss. Not good for you, but chef's kissable. I'm just going to keep on trucking with it because it's that good.
What in the heck?
What the heck? What the heck?
What?
What the heck? We're going to go a little heavier on the middle icing here because the top's going to have like a whole second layer with the colors.
Yeah, it was like a windy cake because this hurricane is a unrealistic category 8.
Category 8. And how fast does a category 8 go?
Probably like 500. Mwah, 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 mwah. Mr. Chief just got kissed.
Mr. Jinx, he just got kissed by a kissing Mr. Kisser.
What? Where's that song from?
I'll show you later. It's an attorney's commercial.
Oh,
That's pretty
okay.
funny to me.
Okay, can you just stop saying this isn't singing about singing and I think a hurricane cake. Hi, kitty. Hi, butt.
Hey, but. I
just said to stop singing wherever that song came from.
Cat butts I don't like in my face because they're stinky.
Can you just shut up?
In a personal injury case, the first thing they're going to tell you is no. That's why you need someone that won't take no for an answer.
Smooth this out on top. All right, ladies and gentlemen, now we are ready to do the top part. Let's start from the middle. All right, so we're going to use the star pipe. We have some choices here, though. So there's like the straight up, small string, wide string, star, half star that is, or sunrise. We'll just use the full star. There might be a technical baking term for it, but we're calling it the full star attachment.
Okay.
And it's for the red. Red's going in the middle. And we're going to go in order right here.
Yeah.
Red, orange, yellow, green, purple, blue. Kind of like Roy G. Biv. Roy G. Biv, bro. Wish me luck. Kind of freehanding this a little bit. We want that in the center.
Oh, that looks good. It looks chef's kiss.
It's our center eye.
Yep.
And now we're going to get all orangey on us.
Yep. It's like a red cherry surrounded by syrup.
Now we're going to do some yellow.
It's starting to look like what it looks like on radar.
Yes, I agree. All right, one more time around. One more time around. Might make it one more time around. Might do it the day I tried to live.
What are you doing?
Okay, green is next.
Cool.
Line up, everybody line up.
Where did you learn all these songs from?
I don't know. That was when you used to watch Bubble Guppies. Bubble Gup, Bubble Gup, Bubble Bubble.
Okay,
Do you remember that?
Do
you remember that, though?
Can you stop that music, please?
All right, I think he remembers everybody.
I do not. I'll shut up.
Okay. Whew, that is hard on my forearm muscles. Next is Purpell. I don't want to get too crazy with too much purple, I don't think. I think the main event's going to be the blue. Any of our creation just yet. Will you seriously? No, stop.
Yeah.
Jinx, this is the creative zone. This isn't the play zone.
Yeah.
I mean, we're playing. We're kind of playing as we create,
Yeah.
but you're wanting to like play playground style. This is art class. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. This gonna be good. This gonna be good.
What are you trying to do anyway?
Trying to do. You'll see. So it's easier to work with.
Okay.
There's some right there. Just filling in all the white. Now, we're going to use this. That's not doing exactly what I thought it would do. That didn't work.
Yeah, that's looks good. Like kind of like adding like a little.
How's that
things
look?
on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought
We
it looked pretty
actually
cool.
play hurricane, not just rainbow cake.
Yeah.
Hurricane cake we bake. I give it a channel.
What hurricane is this? Category 8?
Yep, category Hurricane Jinx.
Hurricane Jinx. All right, we're going to take a taste.
Of Jinx. A taste of Jinx.
Come and get you some. Taste that. Taste the eye. Taste the hurricane.
What?
10 out of 10. I'm going to have some of the red.
Cool.
And white. Yep. 10 out of 10.
Like, subscribe, for chasing.